Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of Vechain, what's the current price of Vechain, what's the price changes occur in the Vechain, and what is the next target of Vechain. In this video we discuss, so keep watch this video till the end friends, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about it this time price of the Vechain friends. As you can see here, it this time price of the Vechain as about 0.226631 USD dollar. It this time price of Vechain. And on the other hand, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Vechain, so absolutely the last 1 hour and the last one price change has gone wrong friends. As you can see here on the screen, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day price change is negative friends, but if we look the last 1 week, so absolutely the last 1 week price change has gone positive friends. So absolutely the last 1 week, what's the next target of Vechain? A lot of holders ask me this question, so let's see the price chart of Vechain for more details friends. As you can see here, if you look the last 1 hour price changes, so as you can see here at this time they are also in the fast. So if we do technical analysis, so as you can see here, let's suppose for example, as you can see here, that is a support line and that is our resistance line. As you can see, fast down, and after a fast take a jump in, now they're in the funding mode. So friends, there is a two possibilities. If they break the support line, so there is a lot of chances today falls down very badly. But if they don't break the support line, so understand that the big pump of Vechain coin are again coming soon friends. What's your opinion about Vechain? If you agree with me, so kindly like this video and make sure to subscribe friends. Anyways, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Vechain, so the last 20 price change is about negative 3.17%, and the highest price of the Vechain is about 0.23805 USD dollar is the highest price of Vechain and the last one difference. And if you talk about the currently this time price of Vechain, so 0.226631 USD dollar at this time price of Vechain friends. What's your opinion about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much for watching this video friends.